Guys, on today's video I'm going to show you how to see your watch history on Facebook. Now these are actually videos that you watched on Facebook. So you open Facebook and then you scroll to just about any video. If you can't see that, just click on this icon for the reel and click on the profile icon. Let me go back so that you see what I'm clicking. I click on this right here, click on that, and now you are going to see history right here. So you click on history. Now from this area, you are going to see all of the video that you watched previously on Facebook. These are all the videos I've watched. So that is actually how to see your Facebook watch history. Now, if you want to rewatch them again, you can always click on it and you have access to it and you'll be able to watch it. A quick information, if you watch a video and you did not completely watch it to the end, it is not going to be displaying here. Everything that is displaying here are all the video that you watched till the end. So I hope this video is helpful. If it is, I will see you guys on the next one. Stay safe and peace.